Thank you for visiting WaterStickGrowSystem.com. It's Saturday, April the 11th, 2020. I'm here in the gardens. I want to show you what we have growing so far. We have a lot of really cool stuff. And then I'm going to show you what we have over here in the spring garden over here. So hang on and I'll be right back. Alright, we're at the back of garden number 1. And these are Better Boy tomato plants here. And these will generally put out somewhere between 150 200 pounds of tomatoes per plant. I've got 4 plants growing here, and then we've also got our plants in pots. Now these are only here temporarily. This is just so I don't have to keep bringing trays of pots in and out the house all the time. I just put them in the gardens and let them do their thing in here, and then when I need to transplant them, all I do is pick up the pots and move them somewhere else. And cool thing about doing these pots in the garden, if you think one side of the plant's getting too much sun and you want to get the other side, you just turn the plant or turn the whole pot. So that's just a little tip. And we have all these plants here. Let's see, that was actually in this garden by accident. It started growing in the wintertime, and that's just curly kale. And so I dug it up, put it in that pot, and I'm going to transplant it somewhere here after a while. And then I have one Super Sweet 100 over there. I had another one over here, but it broke, so I'm going to plant something else over here. Another tomato plant. I haven't decided which one. And then these are all the plants that we dug up and transplanted from garden number 2, which is our winter garden, our covered winter garden. I wasn't able to dig up all the multi-plant water sticks with the plants attached to them, so the ones that were on the regular water stick, yeah, I was able to dig them up and the regular water stick up and transplant the whole thing. The other ones, like the celery and the Swiss chard, they were all on multi-plant water sticks, and it was just too hard to do. So these plants are only going to be here temporarily, so we'll just have to do it the old-fashioned way for the time being. But you can see, this is why I grew these, or transplanted these over. Here's my plants, here's my spring plants. It's going to be several weeks before a couple of weeks before I'm able to eat anything out of here. So I don't have to go to the grocery store. Looky what I have here. And we've been eating off this. So this is the one thing that the coronavirus did. It changed how I do this. Normally I would have pulled these up and bought stuff at the grocery store until this garden was ready, but no. That's why these are here. The more food you can grow yourself, the better off you're going to be. So I just wanted you to see that. I'm going to cover these plants up tonight because we have bad storms coming in, and I don't want anything to happen to them. Like I said, we've got spinach here. We've got green romaine over there. I've got special new spinach that I've never tried over here. These are called red vein spinach, and then that's still the same spinach from there. Got more romaine, and then I got red leaf lettuce over there. These plants, these pepper plants, these are going to be these are King Arthur's, by the way. A friend gave me these, and these plants are going to be here, but they'll be on regular water sticks, and I'll transplant them in here for good later on when they get bigger. And then we have other plants over here. We got lots of other plants. Some of these aren't going to be in here. Some of them will. We like to have lavender around, so we've got lavender here and lavender there. They'll be moved. But we've got lots of plants here. These are Better Bush. So I can't wait to try these. Never tried those before. So when these get a little bigger, I'm going to plant one here and one there. And I don't know where I'll put the others, but I'll find someplace on the property to put it. So just wanted to see the gardens. Oh, over there, that's all onions over there. There's several different types of onions in there. But yeah, we've got onions. We got everything, just about everything that we need to eat nice salads every day. So please check out our website, WaterStickGrowSystem.com. Check out our books, the 20-foot tomato plant, the 20-foot tomato plant 2 the next season. Even though they're called the 20-foot tomato plant, All my inventions work on everything. You've got, you can use the multi-plant water sticks, the regular water sticks. I teach you how to make both of them, teach you how to make my vitamin-based fertilizers, my organic pest repellents, and teach you how to do all this. Build the gardens, how to heat the gardens in the wintertime for as little as 25 cents a day. And tons of stuff. I want everybody to be able to learn how to grow at least part of their own food. It's very important to learn how to do this now. So I've been doing it for decades, since I was a kid. So please go to waterstickgrowsystem.com, check out the books, and learn how to garden. It's a nice, if you're stuck at home with nothing to do because you can't go anywhere, you might as well go out and start a garden. It'll be good for you to get out, and you can grow at least some of your own food. So please visit our website, waterstickgrowsystem.com. Thank you, stay safe, and we shall talk to you later. I've got to button these things up before the storm. So thank you very much, and hope to talk to you again soon.